First, we're doing vocabulary. A number is a unit that tells how many or how much. We describe numbers with symbols or words like 1 or 1. The number 1 is written 1, and it's spelled O-N-E. The number 5 is spelled F-I-V-E, and the number 10 is spelled T-E-N. Our next vocabulary word is place value, which is the value a digit has because of its place in a number. For example, in the number 16, the 6 is in the ones place, and the 1 is in the tens place. Therefore, we have 1 group of 10 and 6 group of ones. Our next vocabulary word is word form, which is a way of writing numbers using number names instead of numerals. For example, when we write out the number 1, we spell it O-N-E. When we write out the number 7, we spell it S-E-V-E-N. And when we write out 14, we spell it F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Our next vocabulary word is ones, which is the numbers from 0 to 9, and it also refers to the ones place. For example, the number 12 has 2 ones, which can be shown by the 2 squares right here. And the number 18 has 8 ones, which can be shown by the 8 squares right here. Our last vocabulary word is the tens, which are the numbers from 10 to 99, and it also refers to the tens place. For example, using the number 12, there is 1 group of 10, so a 1 goes in the tens place. And in the number 18, there is also 1 group of 10, so the 1 goes in the tens place. Example 1. Circle 10 erasers, circle 10 pencils, and write the amount of each. First, we are going to count 10 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to group these 10 together and write a 1 in the tens place. And we're going to leave the last 2 out and put a 2 in the ones place. Next we count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to group those 10 together and write a 1 in the tens place, and then count 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, and put a 3 in the ones place. Moving on to example 2. Circle 10 sandwiches, circle 10 milk cartons, then write the amount of each. First, we're going to count out 10 sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a 1 in the tens place, and then we count what's left. 1. Since there's only 1 left, we put a 1 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 11 sandwiches. and this can also be written as 11. Now we will do the same with the milk cartons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we group these 10 together and write a 1 in the tens place. Then we count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write a 4 in the ones place. This gives us 14 milk cartons, which can also be written out as 14. Our last example is to circle 10 baseballs and write how many are in this group. First, we're going to count out 10 baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a 1 in the tens place. Now we count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put a 6 in the ones place, which means we have 16 baseballs, which can also be written out as 16. And that's it. Thank you for watching.